Let's discuss questions related to vocabulary portion now. So our first and only question is, use the words in parentheses to form a new word to fill in the blanks. We are given certain words which are in brackets. उससे हमें कुछ words बनाने हैं जो कि appropriate होंगे to fill in the blanks. So let's see. According to experts, the way you spend your free time is vital to your general. Happy word है हमारे पास, तो यहाँ happiness आएगा. And getting the right balance is very important. It goes without saying that physical fitness is the key, so everyone's leisure time should include some form of exercise. फिर यहाँ पे आ जाएगा ideal word है, तो ideally something that you find enjoy है will form word enjoyable. Most people also gain satisfaction from doing something creative, from create, such as painting, cooking, or gardening. However, not all your free times activity should be solitary, or you may end up feeling lonely. Companionship, C should be capital because sentence start हो रहा है, is also important to most people's sense of well-being, but you must find the right kind of social interaction. Membership in some groups, such as political parties, can simply lead to stress and frustration. Joining a social group like a blood donation society or yoga classes are likely to be much more beneficial. So we are done with our vocabulary portion. Thank you.